Hi, Mark and Mandy. Do you guys know what is a smart home? Today, we're in this beautifully stunning custom house that features the best in home automation. This house actually is going to feature everything from lighting, security, cameras, speaker system, music, a theater room, all incorporated through the Control4 home automation system. With a smart home, the most important part for a lot of homeowners is security. You are able to access your cameras, you're able to see what your house is doing, you're able to monitor heat, AC, you're able to see who's coming in and out of your house through the locks, through the cameras, all directly from your smartphone or another device, exactly who's coming in and out of your house. While you're away, you're able to control access points, you're able to control the lock mechanism on your door and allow people in and out of your house without you being here. So this is what goes into a smart home, Mark and Mandy. Maybe you guys can consider it.
Thanks for watching The Mark and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.